What's up, dear ladies? How are you doing? Welcome to another segment of Quote of the Day right here on Victory Connection TV. And yes, today is directed to ladies. Ladies, I missed you. I missed you so much. This is directed to you, and it says, "A man who doesn't love you won't change his mind because of your bedroom acrobatics." Woo! That was hot. A man who doesn't love you will not change because of your bedroom acrobatics. Ladies, I want you to understand, and I've always said it on my videos, that a man changes because he loves you. A man does not change because you love him. It's as simple as that. Every man knows the lady that he loves. If you are not the one, you are not the one. So every time in a relationship, ladies, even in marriage, you should understand this. This is something that you should understand. And on top of that, I want you to understand something. That the moment, I've written it down somewhere, the moment you use rituals to keep a man, just know that you have failed as a woman. It goes hand in hand. Ladies, I want you to understand that rituals don't keep a man. The moment you use rituals to keep a man, just know that you have failed as a lady. Ladies, don't use juju to keep a man. It's as simple as that. Don't use juju to keep a man. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Victory Connection TV.